In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give Jira access to a user with ease. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a little refresher, this tutorial will walk you through the process of inviting users and granting permissions in a straightforward manner. Let's start from the very beginning. Once you're logged into your Jira account, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There you'll find a cog icon, which represents your settings. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select User Management. This section is essentially your command center for managing user access and permissions in Jira. Now, being in the User Management section, your next move is to click on Invite Users. This is your gateway to adding new members to your team. Once you've clicked on it, a prompt will appear asking for the email addresses of the users you wish to invite. Go ahead and enter those email addresses carefully. This step is crucial because these invitations will allow the users to join your Jira workspace. With the email addresses entered, the only thing left to do in this section is to click on Invite Users. Clicking this button sends out the invitation, signifying that step 1 of the process is complete. As users accept their invitations and join your Jira instance, you might need to give them access to specific projects. This is where we move on to the second phase. Head over to the project settings of the project where you wish to grant access. You'll want to look for the access option within your project settings, a vital link that will allow you to manage who can interact with your project. Once you're on the access page, click on Add People. A search bar will appear, allowing you to search for the user you want to add to the project. You can find them easily by typing in their name or email address. Finding your intended user is just the beginning. You'll need to assign them the appropriate role. In Jira, roles are vital as they define what a user can or cannot do within a project. You might assign them as an administrator, which gives them full control, a member for more general access, or a viewer if they just need to keep tabs without making changes. Finally, after selecting the right role for your user, click on Add. This completes the process, granting the user access to your project with the role you've assigned. And there you have it. With these steps, you've efficiently added a user and correctly set their permissions in Jira. Feel free to watch this video again if you need a walkthrough or if you'd like a reminder of any steps. Thank you for watching and happy project managing with Jira.